Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If someone hits you from behind, it is virtually never your fault, regardless of why you stopped. A basic rule of the road requires a driver to be able to stop his or her vehicle safely if traffic is stopped ahead. A driver who cannot stop safely is not driving as safely as the person in front.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rear-end collisions can leave you with thousands of dollars in medical bills, lost wages, and vehicle repairs. If you aren't able to recover damages through an insurance claim, you may need to sue the other driver for compensation to cover your costs associated with the accident.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Your car insurance rates will likely go up if you cause an accident. For example, if you rear-end another car at a stoplight, the other driver could make a claim for car damage and injuries against your car liability insurance. At your next renewal time, you could see a rate increase.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The sudden impact from behind often throws your body forward and then backward. When your head flies forward and backward suddenly in that way, it can cause whiplash. It's the most common rear-end collision injury. The muscles and ligaments in your neck stretch beyond normal when whiplash happens.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.